English Year 2, Unit 5, Free Time. Supermind, page 63.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm teacher Zaima. Lesson for today, to practice saying the short vowel sound U.
Let's get it started.
Phonics short sound U. You can refer your Supermind page 63. Look at the pictures and choose the correct sentence. Number 1, are you okay? Adakah awak baik? Number 2, come with me. Mari dengan saya. 3, here you are. Ini untuk awak. And number 4, I'm lost. Saya sesat. So, what is the answer for these pictures? Yes, the answer is number 2. Come with me. Phonic vowel U. This is uppercase U. This is lowercase u. Please write it properly. Short sound for vowel U. Ah. Ah. Long sound for vowel U. 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 Long sound U in the beginning. Ah. Umbrella. Umbrella. Ah. Uncle. Uncle. Ah. Up. Up. Short sound U in the middle. Duck. Duck. Jump. Jump. Buck. Buck. Long sound U in the beginning. U. Unicorn. Unicorn. U. Ukulele. Ukulele. U. Uniform. Uniform. Long sound U in the middle. Cute. Cute. Music. Music. Mule. Mule.
Student's Book, page 63. 4. Listen and say.
Ah. 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 Mum jumps in the mud with the ducks. Mum jumps in the mud with the ducks.
Okay, boys and girls, for your task, please rewrite and draw activity 4 in your Supermind, page 63 in your English 3. Okay, got to go. Thank you. Bye.